inverse function of y, and this is function of x. So I have converted the function of x into function of y. Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video, I am going to solve the question that you can see on your screen. If you want complete understanding of this solution, do watch this video till end, and if you find any difficulty, you can share it in the comment box or you can DM me on my Instagram. Without any further delay, let's start solving this question. Solution. Now first we'll read the question. Find the derivative of function y is equal to fx using the derivative of the inverse function x is equal to f inverse of y. So we have to use this x is equal to f inverse of y to find the derivative of y is equal to f of x. Indirectly, we have to use theorem of derivatives of inverse function and find out the derivative of y is equal to under root of x with respect to x. So how to do this? Let me show you. First, we will write the given function. So given function is y is equal to under root of x. Then I will convert this function of x into function of y. How I will do that? Let's see. Now I will take square of both the sides. So what I will get? Y square is equal to under root of x bracket square. So therefore y square is equal to, this root and square will get cancelled. So y square is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to y square. Now I have got the function x is equal to f inverse of y. So this is inverse function of y and this is function of x. So I have converted the function of x into function of y. I will differentiate this with respect to y. So what I will get? Differentiate with respect to y. Then what I will get? Dx by dy is equal to derivative of y square will be 2 into y. Now I will mark this as equation 1. So using equation 1, what I will get? Dx by dy is equal to 2 into, from equation 1 I will put the value of y, that is under root of x. Now using theorem of derivatives of inverse function, so according to this theorem, derivative of function y with respect to x is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. So the value of dx by dy is 1 upon 2 under root of x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 under root of x, which is our required answer. I hope you have understood the approach that we use to solve this. First, we note down the function of x, and then we convert this function of x into function of y, and then we differentiate this function of y with respect to y, and then we get the value of dx by dy. Now using the theorem of derivatives of inverse function, we find the derivative of y with respect to x, which is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. And once we substitute the value of dx by dy, we get the value of dy by dx. In this way we approach this type of questions. If you understood the approach, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have any doubts, share it in the comment box or DM me on my Instagram. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.